A sprained thumb is a frequent injury in various sports, and knowing how to properly wrap it is essential for healing, regardless of how it occurred. After diagnosis, consult a doctor, especially if pain persists, as what seems like a sprain could be a fracture or dislocation. If your doctor recommends a thumb brace or wrapping, gather supplies like a crepe or ace bandage and scissors to secure the injury properly without cutting off circulation. Start by wrapping the bandage comfortably around your wrist, then across the back of the hand and fingers. Wrap around your wrist again and attach the end of the bandage to the diagonal strip across your palm. Wrap the bandage around your thumb from one diagonal strip to the other, checking for circulation. Remember to follow the RICE protocol: rest, ice, compression, and elevation to aid recovery. And avoid heat, alcohol, running, and massage for the first 72 hours. Always check circulation after wrapping and follow your doctor's advice for the best recovery outcomes.